Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best mechanical keyboards. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Razer ProType Ultra. For just about anyone. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that fits just about every use case, then you won't go wrong with the Razer ProType Ultra. It's a great crossover keyboard for folks who need to project a clean-looking professional desktop by day, and get down and dirty with gaming at night. Interface: RF wireless, Bluetooth. Key switch type: Razer yellow, low volume linear. Key backlighting: single color. Media controls: shared with other keys. Dedicated shortcut keys. Onboard profile storage. MKey rollover support. Pass-through ports. None. Palm rest. Detachable, separate. Maximum productivity. Minimum sound: the silent mechanical switches and sound dampening foam on this keyboard offer a quiet, distraction-free experience when at the office or WFH, while its super durable design lasts for up to 80 million clicks. Keycaps: ABS plastic with soft touch coating. Number 2. Montech MKey, darkness. If you're looking for an entry-level mechanical keyboard or just a customizable keyboard on the affordable end of the spectrum, you won't go wrong with the MKey. Interface: USB wired. Key switch type: Gateron G Pro 2.0 brown. Key backlighting: multicolor LED. Media controls: shared with other keys. Dedicated shortcut keys. Onboard profile storage. MKey rollover support. Pass-through ports. None. Palm rest. None. Get it now. Number 3. Razer BlackWidow V4 75%. For hardcore gamers, streamers, or those who have the money to spend on a premium product, the Razer BlackWidow V4 75% maximizes its compact footprint. If you're in one or more of those camps, expect this Razer to deliver one of the best experiences you can get on a keyboard whether you're typing or gaming. Interface: USB-C. Key switch type: Razer Orange Tactile Mechanical Key Switch Gen 3. Key backlighting: RGB per key. Media controls: dedicated shortcut keys. Onboard profile storage. MKey rollover support. Pass-through ports. None. Palm rest. Detachable, magnetic. Hot swappable design, compatible with 3 or 5-pin switches. The keyboard's socketed PCB allows an easy swap out of its preloaded switches for custom ones to achieve desired key feel. Compact 75% layout with aluminum case, ideal for setups where desk space is a premium. The keyboard features a durable build and covers essential commands. Number 4. Alienware Pro Wireless Gaming Keyboard. If you're on a budget, you can find mechanical keyboards for much cheaper than the Alienware Pro keyboard's asking price. But if you've got money to spend, few boards look as good or pack this kind of performance. Interface: USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth. Key switch type: Alienware linear mechanical switches. Key backlighting: RGB per key. Media controls: shared with other keys. Dedicated shortcut keys. Onboard profile storage. MKey rollover support. Pass-through ports. None. Palm rest. None. Number 5. Corsair K70 RGB Pro. For professional gamers or pros to be looking for a finely tuned keyboard that'll serve them well on any battleground, the Corsair K70 delivers. It's great for casuals, too. Interface: USB wired. Key switch type: Cherry MX Blue. Key backlighting: RGB per key. Media controls: dedicated shortcut keys. Onboard profile storage. MKey rollover support. Pass-through ports. None. Palm rest. Detachable, magnetic. Cherry MX2A switches, available in different switch variants, all made in Germany and featuring gold crosspoint contact precision. White LED indicators built into the status keys, caps dash, scroll and NUM lock. MX becomes MX2A, our new Cherry MX2A mechanical switch that replaces the current MX full size.